Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to delete Amazon account. So go ahead to the official website, and then what you're going to do, you're going to click on your name at the top right, or click on me at the top right. Scroll a little bit down and click see all accounts. Okay, and basically you're going to see right here your account settings. Scroll a little bit down, you're going to see manage your data, and you're going to see close your Amazon account. So click on it. And please read this carefully. You're about to submit a request for them to permanently close your Amazon account and delete your data. Once the account is closed, all of the product and services accessed through your account will no longer available to you across any Amazon sites globally. Submitting your account closure request through your website will also close your account. Okay, so this is the services that will close your account, will be included to close your account right here, right? And basically if you are willing to actually delete your account, just go ahead and follow along and then click yes, and then choose the reason why that you want to close the account, and then basically hit cancel or close my account, sorry, and then follow along the on-screen instruction to add your basically password, and then now you close your account on Amazon. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.